Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So this is actually really do. You can do it two different ways. You can access it through the browser, or what we could do is just get this on the App Store. So we can just go to the App Store right here. You can see I have YouTube on here already. It's a little app. It looks like it has a web URL on it. So let's go to App Store right here, and then go back and just go to search on the top and just type in YouTube. So when you type in you might see it pop up. We got ProTube. Now we want the one that's blue with youtube.com on it, and that's just going to be the basic YouTube. I think it's just a web link on here. It's not actually from, well, it looks like it's by youtube.com. So we can just install this on our device, open this up. This is what we're going to get. Or we can go to the Silk browser right here and just type in youtube.com, and then we can save this as one of our favorites on the right here. So we can just look through this list and save it. We can add it to our home screen too. youtube.com, we can just add it to here as well. So let's look here. So we got youtube.com. So you can add it to your home screen with the app or with the Silk browser. So you can decide which one you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.